Hi there, folks. Lefty here. I just want to show everybody what I have been working on for my HHO cells. Just got in from out in the shop. Had the fire going all day long, and I'll tell you what, it's tough working from a warm shop into something that's cold and you gotta heat with firewood. Anyway, my test equipment. That is my PWM from pwmpower.com, and just my digital multimeter. It's an older Craftsman. It even has a computer connection on the top. I got to play with the software, see what it can do. I'm not exactly sure. But the meter. Okay, and here are the cells. Here is my rod cell. This is my second attempt at the wire style. As you can see, it's about 12 inches long, and I got 61 feet in that cell, which is about 2 1/4 thick. I have both of my connections on the one side. My original cell, my original wire cell, is made out of 030 MIG wire. It's only 304 stainless. Once again, this cell here is made out of 632 stainless steel 316L. This is just MIG wire 304. I have some 316 that I am going to rethread another cell and make it bigger. As you can see, this one here is a little over 12 inches as well. My flashback arrestor, I have bronze wool for it. I got to put it in yet. But anyway, that's that. And here is my cell casing. I kind of like the looks of the of the thing like that. It's almost ominous. But anyway, let me describe to you what I've got going on here. This is out number 1. This is out number 2. And it's just a straight flow through. From there, it goes over to my bubbler. My bubbler is about 18 inches tall, and as you can see, I got a soft plug on it. Soft plug on it. The end tube goes all the way down to the bottom. I've got about 16.5 inches of water in it, so I have very, very, very little HHO stored at any one time. And a fill plug, and just a hose out. I had to bring all this in from the shop just to show you people. So, anyway, on the cell casing, I've got these connectors. I don't like them. It was the initial thought for ease of transferring from a rod cell to this wire cell and making other test cells and so on. Anyway, so I got a positive negative connection on this side, and I also have a connection on this side, so I can run this here cell, because I've got to have a positive and negative on either end. That's why the 3 connectors. Now, what I have done is these are going to be my cooling. Here it comes out into just some copper tubing wrapped, and an old computer power supply fan, computer fan. I originally had, and it's still there. This here is a windshield washer pump. And obviously I got an on-off switch on it. It works well, but the motor gets too hot. It's not made to continuously run. And so I upgraded to an electric fuel pump, which I still have to rig up. This here is my old copper here, copper winding. I hooked it up, and it's got 8 to 10 different minor pinholes. Not from kinking it. I didn't kink it at all. It's just old. I found it laying around. Figured I'd try it. Anyway, that would go into here, like so, and to the pump. And as you can see, it's got the 2 outs, which go here and here. So suck it in from the bottom, from the top down, with a fan to cool it. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to be. I did have it hooked up right here, but I had to take it all apart because of my copper tubing leaking. Next, I've got my trusty dusty flow meter, and it's a simple little thing. It's a 1 liter water bottle, the bottom cut out, and just a tube with a connection in the bottom, down here, tube coming up. The HHO flows through. That's about it for myself. At this point, I was getting about 1.25 liters a minute on 20 amps draw. I think with the new cooling, it will help. It'll help tame the monster. This cell here has not been in the test unit yet. That's what I was working on all day today. I was fixing a few leaks in this and had to add the other power connection for on the inside. As you can see, it's a very simple connection. Stainless steel plating. Just bent around. No big deal to it. This one is similar. Just got to drill a couple holes in that. So this one's got 61 feet of 632 316L, and this is like 180 some feet. I'm not mistaken. It's only 304 030 welding rod, or I'm sorry, MIG welding wire. And I have a lot of work to do tomorrow before the game. Mainly just to put in my fuel pump. I'm thinking about losing the filter here. I don't think I'll need it. And we'll go from there. Have any questions? Feel free to ask. I'm always willing to give my ideas, or if you have any suggestions, by all means, get them to me. My flashback arrestor here is going to be filled with bronze wool, and on the side that is would flash back toward, this is the outside. I'm going to also have a check valve on that, and perhaps a check valve on that side as well. You can't be too careful with this stuff. It is dangerous. It's amazing what it can do. I'm sorry my cell's a little bit dirty. My stuff is a little bit messy right now, but like I said, I just brought it in from the shop, and hooked it up so I can show you folks. Anyway, any questions? Feel free to get in touch with me. Lefty out.